welcome back to my channel. If you guys can tell from your girl's look today, we are doing a Joker's makeup tutorial from Suicide Squad. I will link where I got these temporary tattoos from in the description bar. I got them from Amazon in their Prime, in their $7.99 for all of the tattoos that you see me using, plus more. So in case you guys mess up like I did in the video on the hand, I don't know if I'm gonna leave it in there or not, but I messed up on the hand and I had to redo it, and I had an extra hand. So yeah, but if you guys want to see how I got to this look, my female version of the Joker's Jake from Suicide Squad, then go on and watch the rest of the video. Go ahead and get started. I think I have everything that I will need in front of me.
I'm just gonna hurt you.
As of now, if you hear Joe Van sneezing in the background, he's dying. Bless you. Send him your blessings. Because he's dying.
Oh God, help.
And there's no way I'm gonna be able to edit out all the sneezing. So it's a running joke over here on my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see the running joke. Anyway, so I'm gonna be doing this video a little bit.
I'm sorry, babe, I can't stop.
I'm gonna be doing this video a little bit different than I actually planned, because I planned on filming this video at night and then be able to like wash off all of my makeup before I went to bed. But it's daytime and I might actually have to go to work, so I'm gonna kind of not do it the way I wanted to do it, so that if I have to go out in public, I won't look crazy. Because although it is October, it is not quite Halloween yet. So what I was originally going to do was what I did in my Beetlejuice video, was make myself pale. So if you guys want to go that route, check out how I made myself pale and how I did the look, and you can just tweak it to this look. What I'm going to do for it to be a little bit daytime friendly is I'm going to use my foundation that kind of like evens out my skin tone, which is going to be my Huda Beauty foundation. I did a review on this foundation on my channel. If I remember, I will put it up in the cards if you guys have not seen that already. So we're going to use my Huda Beauty foundation, and then we're going to use my favorite Huda Beauty primer. I love this primer oh so much. It's a little expensive, but not a little expensive, it is expensive. If I'm not mistaken, it was like $40. But I love it. The only thing I dislike is this flowery smell. It smells horrible.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
I want to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to do my eyebrows with this NYX's Vivid Green Cream color right here.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
We are literally just going to be doing this smoky eye, a black smoky eye. I do have this glitter that I kind of want to use. It's called Unicorn Party. So I may or may not put that on my eyelids afterwards, but it's super pretty. Let's see if we can get the focus on it. It's not like all black, but it has like specks of all the colors in it. It's like majority black, but then it has like, I don't know, just everything you would expect, I guess, at a unicorn party, but it's super cute. It's Smoke Obsessed palette, and then I have the dupe for the Huda Beauty stuff, the Smoky Obsession palette. I have the Bad Habit After Party. So we're gonna be dabbling between the both of those. I know that they're both dupes, but sometimes I like the colors better in the After Party palettes versus the original. Like right here, this brown right here versus, they're literally lined up the same too, just about, versus this brown right here. I like this brown better, so I'm going to use that brown in my crease.
I'm not gonna kill you.
The Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna go into the center color and bring it just a little bit down, but still work it out outward. Next brown right here, and we're just gonna go a little bit further down.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Black shader brush into the black. We're gonna put that onto our lids, and then we're gonna blend it out. I'm working with the black. Be careful because black can get messy so quickly that you might as well just turn around and look like you have a black eye. But if you're first time working with black for this video and you're doing it for Joker, then it's all good because his look was super messy anyway. We're just going with it because it's the Joker, it's the female Joker. And because we're doing Suicide Joker, he was definitely showy anyway, so it's fine. And for the sake of time, I'm just going to do kind of like the same thing up under my eye. I am going to take the lighter shade and do it under my eye.
I'm not gonna kill you.
So I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to go into this color here in the center. I'm gonna, this is easier for me like this. And then I'm gonna smoke over eye. Sorry, you gotta see the ugly faces. Now, and then I'm gonna do this closer to the waterline. And that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye off of camera real quick, and then I'll come back for the rest of the face. All right. I'm gonna go ahead on and contour my face. Favorite contouring is this bad boy right here, the True Complexions Contour Kit in medium deep.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Let's go ahead and get crazy and add some glitter. Why not? Using the NYX pigment base, and I'm just going to put that onto my finger when I get it. A Violet Voss called Unicorn Party, which I couldn't tell you guys that all the colors that were in there before, but it's like black, purple, green. It's literally like silver. It's a party, and there's what it is. It gives it something, yes. I think it gives it the something that I was missing. Other than my eyelashes. Let's put those on too. Super dramatic lashes. So, well, I don't know if these are super dramatic, but these I feel like are a little dramatic for me maybe because I have been wearing like a lot of demis and stuff lately, I feel like. But these are the Ardell Mega Volume 523 lashes that I'm going to be wearing today. And I don't have any lash glue over here, so let's go get that, put these on, we'll be back. Lipstick, black lipstick, red lipstick, black lipstick. I think I'm gonna go with red, but the thing is I don't want it to be like super perfect. I kind of want it to be like smudged on this side a little bit. So what we're gonna do is put this on. Duh. Very Christmassy. I'm gonna deepen this up a little bit. I'm gonna just take my finger and smudge it. There we go.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Temporary tattoos. I don't care. Fight me. I started to like draw them all on myself, but then I was like, absolutely not. We're gonna get the temporary ones, and I got them on Amazon Prime, so you get them in 2 days. There we go. That's it. That's all we're gonna talk about. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet a washcloth, and then we're gonna start putting them on.
I'm not gonna kill you.
That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Joker video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I gladly appreciate that. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know as well. And if you enjoyed this video and it's your first time here, hit that subscribe video. Hit that subscribe video. Hit that subscribe button for more videos with me. I did fall off last week because I hit a lazy week, but it's fine. We're here this week. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.
Happy Halloween.